In the last few months, the Blender community has seen the release of some truly remarkable add-ons specifically designed for architectural visualization and high-end interior design. These sophisticated tools allow you to construct complex indoor scenes with unprecedented speed. But the real showstoppers in this update are the incredible new systems for foliage and forest generation. Before we dive into the technical details, make sure to check out the Super Hive Market Winter Sale happening right now. You can grab thousands of professional products and your favorite add-ons with a generous 25% discount. I've included a curated list of the best tools and courses in the video description to help you get started. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the breakdown of these essential Blender extensions.
We start our evaluation with Procedural Interiors, a powerhouse tool that makes building indoor environments significantly faster. If you've ever spent hours manually modeling a room from a floor plan, you know how tedious the process can be, constantly extruding walls and carefully cutting out Boolean openings for doors and windows. This add-on completely streamlines that workflow. You can simply import a floor plan, trace the basic layout, and the system automatically generates your walls, doors, and windows with perfect alignment. Because the system is fully procedural, every element remains editable, allowing you to adjust room dimensions or move openings on the fly without breaking the geometry. Furthermore, it features a brilliant one-click furniture subspace tool. This feature instantly populates your empty rooms with high-quality furniture from a library of 150 pre-configured assets. While it's a great starting point, the sheer speed and efficiency it adds to your architectural pipeline make it an incredible value for any professional artist.
Next, let's talk about Arborea, a comprehensive nature kit that transforms how we build environments in Blender. This package delivers a massive library of over 600 premium assets, ranging from detailed trees and delicate plants to photorealistic rocks. What sets Arborea apart is its powerful procedural scatter system, which allows you to build lush, believable forests or complex gardens with just a few simple clicks. The technical control is impressive, featuring altitude and slope masking, built-in wind animation for realistic movement, and camera culling to keep your viewport performance high. The latest update has expanded this toolkit even further, adding brand new cliff and rock assets for more diverse landscapes. It also introduces image masking support for the scatter system and a handy new swap asset feature, allowing you to instantly replace scattered items across your entire scene. With these optimizations and bug fixes, Arborea remains a top-tier choice for environmental storytelling.
For those looking to create beautiful, artistic nature scenes, the Stylized Forest Generator is an exceptional choice. Built entirely on geometry nodes, this tool allows you to grow and scatter trees, bushes, flowers, and grass to create vibrant, lush forests in mere seconds. While many vegetation tools feel similar, this one stands out with its intuitive painting mode. You can literally paint directly onto your terrain to define exactly where you want dense tree clusters, clear paths, or open ponds to appear. The add-on intelligently handles all the scattering and organic variation for you. The package includes over 250 handcrafted assets, all fully integrated into the Blender Asset Browser for easy access. To ensure a smooth workflow even on complex scenes, the developer included a clever light mode. This feature reduces the plant count by up to 90%.
The Ivy Generator is a powerful geometry nodes tool designed to cover any surface, from ancient stone walls to jagged rocks, with realistic climbing plants in seconds. What makes this version special is the inclusion of over 30 handcrafted Ivy presets, all easily accessible through a visual browser. You simply select a thumbnail and instantly spawn that specific style of ivy into your scene. The system supports full surface snapping and can even bridge across different object collections, making it incredibly easy to drape vines over complex multi-object environments. Most importantly, the ivy is not just a static mesh. It comes with built-in wind animation parameters, allowing the leaves to sway naturally in the breeze. With adjustable strength and speed settings, you have much more creative control than you'd find in a standard Ivy tool, making it perfect for both still renders and dynamic cinematic sequences.
The Nature Generator is another fantastic asset for artists who want to build stunning 3D environments quickly. It provides a vast library of procedural nature assets that are completely customizable. Whether you need scattered foliage, dense forests, or dynamic terrains, this tool has you covered. It even includes realistic water bodies and desert presets, offering a huge variety of biome options. Everything is handled through a simple drag-and-drop interface, and the dedicated sidebar offers deep control over every parameter, giving you the freedom to fine-tune your environment until it looks exactly right. Shifting gears to large-scale landscapes, World Blender is an all-in-one procedural generation suite that helps you create entire worlds directly within the software. Built on a robust framework of geometry nodes and advanced shaders, it allows you to generate high-detail terrains from a single mesh in a non-destructive way. You can start with a blank slate or convert your own custom-sculpted meshes into a World Blender terrain to apply realistic erosion, geological terraces, and other natural effects. The toolkit covers everything from shaping massive mountain ranges to scattering entire ecosystems. Whether you're aiming for realistic terrestrial mountain valleys, alien fantastical landscapes, or stylized terrains for a game project, the possibilities are virtually unlimited. Additionally, it comes with a helpful library of presets and a comprehensive tutorial series to help you master world building in no time. Returning to the world of furniture design, Furnimatic allows you to create custom furniture models in minutes rather than hours. This add-on functions as a smart parametric feature builder. Instead of manually modeling a cabinet or a wardrobe from scratch, you simply input your desired dimensions and style options, and the system generates the geometry for you. Designed by a professional furniture designer with real-world experience, Furnimatic is built to solve the day-to-day challenges of cabinetry and storage design. Using it feels remarkably like using a professional kitchen design application. You can specify the exact height, width, and depth of your units, choose the number of shelves or doors, and even pick specific panel styles. It produces clean, production-ready models that you can further customize. The add-on also includes a wide range of options for handles, profiles, and even built-in appliances like sinks and ovens. Or you can seamlessly integrate your own custom asset libraries for a truly unique look. Now we look at PF2B, or Plantfactory to Blender, which is easily one of the most underrated add-ons in the ecosystem. It provides direct access to the massive free library of Plantfactory, which recently went open source. This add-on introduces a sophisticated biome and collection system, a powerful snow module, and a major overhaul of import overrides for granular control. The workflow is split into two modes: biomes, which work with the free biome reader, and collections, which are curated plant bundles meant for bulk importing into your asset library without needing extra scatter tools. The snow feature is particularly impressive and fully layerable. You can use geometry node-based snow for high-detail hero assets, or shader-based snow for maximum efficiency in large scenes. It even includes a frost module and deep settings for snow buildup, height, and erosion. This is the perfect system for creating winter biomes or seasonal variants of your environments. Furthermore, it now supports importing professional wind data by generating an armature rig with baked motion, ensuring your trees move with perfect physical accuracy. Finally, we have Lazy Forest, a tool designed for speed and ease of use. This add-on comes with a variety of forest and plant presets that let you quickly populate a scene with different types of vegetation. It uses a weight painting workflow, meaning trees and grass only appear exactly where you paint them on your terrain. Recent updates have significantly expanded its capabilities, adding pond and lake creation tools that generate natural-looking water features with realistic shorelines. There are also new snowy biome presets for winter environments and practical particle effects like fallen leaves or dust to add that extra layer of realism. The customization has been improved with better weight painting controls for precise placement, and the overall performance has been optimized to ensure that even when you're working with massive, dense forests, the viewport remains smooth and responsive.
And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the latest and greatest Blender add-ons for environments and interiors. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more 3D tips and tool reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.